Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Health and Beauty Secrets. Today in this video we will share ideas about how to make feet soft. For this procedure you will need 4 to 5 liters of water and 3 tablespoons of baking soda. In hot water, dissolve the baking soda and soak your feet in it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Give your feet a good rub after that with a foot scrubber. Then rub Vaseline or a nutrient cream. Put on cotton socks and wear them for at least a couple of hours. After the first use, you shall notice the difference in the appearance of your feet. Do this treatment continuously for 5 to 7 days, then take a 7-day break and repeat the procedure. Do a total of 3 treatments. The desired effect, silky and smooth feet, will be achieved after the course of 3 treatments. Stay beautiful and feel beautiful. Thanks for watching our videos. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty videos. Let us know in the comments below on which topic you want to get information. Thank you.